Today, we're gonna wrench on this little rig.
This is the newest addition to Flying Sparks Garage, and man, is it a pile. It is a 1927 model Buggati Type 35 replica, and it's built on a 60s model Bug chassis. While it's incredibly junky, we're so excited to make some memories in this thing.
Today, we're going to be playing with this here fuel pump. The day that we picked it up, we got it running, but it would not stay running. So we think the culprit is the fuel pump, and we went and grabbed one, so hopefully this will make it run well, and then we can figure out how we can actually put pedals in it because it has no floorboard. You gonna blow some junk out of here?
Yeah. I don't know how this is gonna help make the Volkswagen run, but who knows?
Okay, let's get to work. That's the cutest little fuel pump I ever did see.
Mm-hmm. It's adorable.
Huh. All right. There we go. Oh, thanks, my love. Dang. I'm prepared.
There's not much to prepare for. There's a couple bolts. Unless we drop something inside the engine, then it turns into a real big job.
Need a wobble. Oh, got it. Let's pull this fuel pump off. I want to get the screwdriver up in there, but I don't want to hurt my surface. Gently get up over those threads. And it's off. Back to work on the Buggati, a replica, really junky car that we love and adore. The other day, we pulled the fuel pump off so that we could be sure and get the right one. We ordered this pump online from Advance Auto, which you guys, Advance Auto is our official parts store now for Flying Sparks Garage. Yeah. We are so excited to be working with them. They are absolutely awesome people. And it's a pretty amazing new chapter for us and the channel and really who we are as people, because y'all, this is really a huge compliment. So, we got our parts in, and it is time to install a new fuel pump on the car. Hopefully it will idle now. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Let's install it. Okey-dokey. Our old pump is off. I've got our new pump in our gasket. Thought I'm gonna clean our gasket surface up a little bit before we toss that new one in. A little bit of brake clean. I know this is the cue for everyone to go, what about the love? Well, the love we'll be getting, well, love soon. We've got some plans coming up for it, but you'll have to stay tuned. Alrighty, gasket surface is nice and tidy. Let's toss our gasket on. Time for the pump. The other one came off pretty tight against these studs, so this one's probably gonna go on similar. Have to kind of force it on. I'm gonna go get a punch and a hammer to just tap this on evenly.
Lose your nut?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I want to work for me.
I didn't hear it hit the leaves. Oh, here it is. Did you see it the whole time? Of course you did. Oh, what a turd. All right, let's get some hoses on there. Second hose going on. Now that we have our fuel pump on and tight and our hoses in place, we're going to install our fuel tank. We have a pretty junky fuel tank in this car right now, so before we go through the process of like pulling a bunch of junk up through the bottom of the tank, we're going to use one of these and then cross the bridge of cleaning the tank that's in the car after we know that it's going to run decent. Right?
That's right.
All right, Aaron has a plan for our ignition, don't you?
I do. Make sure this still works. Is that where the starter?
Yes.
Okay, so that's going to be your job.
Perfect.
Now I'm going to
Ooh.
put this up. Okay, that's going to turn on the fuel valve for the carburetor and the coil.
Perfection.
Right, so we'll get ready to start it. You just plug that thing in and I'll watch the fuel.
Sweet. Oh dang. You ready?
Yep.
Keep running her?
Do it again.
Gotta get the fuel up to the carb, right?
Yep. Alright, we got a fuel leak up here.
Okey-doke.
So it was that fuel pump was bad because before we had to pour gas in it. Let's go.
Let's do it. Dang it, it died.
Well, I could have kept it running, but when it got going, I saw this dirt like vibrating toward the inlet, so I wanted to dust it off. Still really not squirting fuel, but how does it squirt back there? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Weird. Yeah. I mean, the filter had a little bit in the bottom, but it was not.
It was
pulling
pumping
gas
good
down.
in the beginning. So it's not wanting to idle. If I keep pumping on it, it'll keep running. But the filter's empty now, so I wonder if that stopped up.
Yeah, it wasn't pulling fuel. You
I don't know
pointed
what's
it
going
out,
on
and I started
there.
looking at it, and you were revving on it,
Mm-hmm.
and it was like not pulling fuel.
Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that, but we'll figure it out. The pump worked really good in the beginning.
Yeah.
So I bet something stopped that line up.
Diagnostics.
Yes.
Alrighty, back from the parts store. We got a fuel filter for inline.
This hose is old and tiny.
Brittle.
I think we're going to replace that hose entirely.
Want me to go get the hose box? Or go dig in it?
Yeah, see if you can find one that'll push on there.
Alrighty, let's see what we can do here. That one will work. How's that?
That'll work.
Alright, let's get rid of this gas that's treated for the chainsaw. Replace it with some fresh gas. Drink up, little lady. Not even filling the fuel at all. But it's totally idling. Okay, there it is. What in the world? No, it's not smoking at all. That's wild. It's running awesome. What the heck?
It was probably that gas.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
it was trying to burn gas that had oil in it.
Too cool. It runs pretty good and it will idle now. Although it's got a rough idle and kind of like intermittently good. at least it idles. Is awesome.
Yeah, I think we'll rebuild the carb at some point, try to figure out why it's doing that. But until then, that's good enough for me. It's worth working more on.
Totally. We cannot wait for the next episode. We are going to pull the junky old pedals out of the car. They're in the front like hatch area. When we picked the car up, we just tossed them in there because he had some spare parts for it. And he was like, oh, I think I've got the pedals for it. So they're just chilling there waiting to be installed. We just want to push the car in the shop and toss some metal in there so that we can weld the pedals in and just go drive it. You'll see that on the next episode. Be sure that you're subscribed and comment below. Tell us your thoughts and how you like this project, because we're pretty stoked about it. Thanks so much for everything, y'all. We'll see you next time.